Next, I'm going to grab my black yarn and I'm going to make a slip knot. When you make a slip knot, please leave a little tail. I'll show you the reason why you need to leave that little tail later. So next is you're going to go to the very last round of the circle, the very last round that is here on top of those double crochet, and you're going to attach your yarn from behind the square and pull through. And now we're going to make slip stitches all around. You need to be very light-handed on this one. You don't want to make it too tight, so just make slip stitches in every stitch around. You see that tiny hole over there? Bring in your yarn and slip stitch all through. Okay, so let's keep going, slip stitching. I'm sorry if I'm out of frame, but this is what it looks like. So you keep stitching all through, and I'll meet you when I get to the end of this round. Okay, now so I have gotten to the end of this round, and I'm going to snip off this yarn from behind. I'm going to cut it off. Okay, so I'm going to pull through. Okay, pull it through, and that's it. And now I'm going to get my darning needle. You can use your darning needle or you can use your crochet hook to just take this yarn back to the back. Okay, and now the yarn is here, and now you have two tails, and this is the reason why I said you should leave an extra tail. Just tie these tails together. Okay, tie these tails together, not too tightly please, but make sure it's really secured. Okay, and that's the end of this round. You can use your darning needle to hide the ends, or you can snip it off. It's okay. All right, so I am done with this square now. So please, next is you take your darning needle and thread it with your yarn like this. So next we're going to make the smiley face. So you should have your black yarn on your darning needle. So I'm just going to put some on my darning needle, and then I'm going to make a knot to secure it at the end. And now we're going to make the smiley, the eyes, as well as the smile. Okay, so you are going to look at the circle, and I'm going to start from here. Okay, I'm going to start from here. That is the first round we made, and then pull through my yarn. I'm going to also leave a little tail out here because I don't like this coming out on the other side, so I'll just leave that tail and just go on the eyes. So you can see the first eye is coming through very well, and then I'll go in once again to secure the yarn one more time. Okay, so now I have the very first eye, and then this is what it looks like at the back of the square, and this is what it looks like in front of the square. So now I'm going to make the second eye. Just look for any any hole, and then go in the same manner which you did the first one. So it's like we are going from the very first round up to the second round. Okay, so one more time. If you don't like the way the eyes look, you can always take it back in and redo it. Okay, sorry, I have cough and a little bit of cold, so I already have my smiley eyes. Okay, so this one looks like this and this one looks like this. So that's Smiley's eyes. Okay. All right, so this is what the eye looks like. And now we have come to the end of that. So I'm going to snip off this tail and I'm going to make a knot. Okay. Yes, don't pull too tightly. You always want to check it. Okay. Still looks very okay. All right, but if it does not look okay, you can always use your darning needle to like pull it up a little. Okay, but mine is okay. I'm going to snip this off and snip this off. And next we're going to make Smiley's mouth. Okay. All right, so still with the same darning needle, I'm going to make a knot. And I'm going to go behind and secure my yarn somewhere. Okay, so it doesn't move. And one more time. If you have a neater way of making this, please go ahead. Okay, so now I'm going to, from the eyes, I'm going to count 4 stitches back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 4 stitches back, and then I'm going to make the mouth. Okay, and then over here. Okay, how it looks like. So I'm trying to replicate this one. Okay, so we're making this first, and then go under. Start making stitches this way. Okay. And okay. Keep making stitches and I'll meet you back when I get here. All right, so I'm at the end of the round and I'm just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to do the other stitch to make the mouth. Okay, so 4, and I'm going to go this way. And put this one this way. Okay. That's it. That's your smiley. And now I'm going to go behind and secure this yarn and then fasten off. All right, everyone, we are done with our smiley granny square. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to use the smiley granny square to make a bucket hat. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.